The textbook introduces the arts of Korea with this map showing the geographic peninsula as we know it today, Korea, currently divided politically into North Korea and South Korea. The map, zooming in as it does on the peninsula, also makes clear how closely connected Korea is to China at its northern border and Japan very near across the water. So Korea, as this slide notes, has had an ambivalent and complicated interrelationship with China and Japan across its history. Those two nations have contributed important aspects of its own cultural identity. So it has engaged with Chinese cultural traditions, Confucianism, artistic ideas, as we will see. It has also transmitted those to Japan. We will see that Korea transmits Buddhist teachings and Buddhist art to Japan. At the same time, it has been on the receiving end of dominating moves by both China and Korea. So it has been a client state of China at various points in its history, and it was brutally subjugated by Japan during its colonial rule from 1910 to 1945, a major historical trauma. So Korea's place in this art history is very complex, and it deserves to have its own story told on its own terms. Unfortunately, a broad art historical survey like this one that we're doing, we don't have time to dive deeply into the many wonderful smaller cultures, right? We do big sketches, broad sketches of the big contours so that you get enough understanding to go on to learn more and fill in the blanks. And I do wish we had more time to examine Korea deeply, right? And that's true also of Southeast Asia and of Central Asia. So this mini module is called A Glimpse at Korea, or just glimpsing. But it is a chance to get an appreciation for some of the artistic achievements and for some of the historical processes at work.